Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some settings that you should disable in Windows 11 to make your Windows 11 faster and of course more secured and more private. So let's get started and see the settings that you should be changing, and let's see. So this setting is a preference, but for example, I don't like this search right here, because if I press on start, I can see here I have search and I don't want to have two of these. So how you can hide or disable this search? You go to start here and click on settings, and then from here we're gonna press on personalization, and then we're gonna scroll down until we see this taskbar. We click on it, and here on the search box here we're gonna click on it, and you can go with the search icon only, so it shows only the search icon here. But if you want more clean look, just click on hide, and as you can see, it disappeared. You can still search, as you can see here. If we go to start, you can still search here. So now the next settings is for privacy and security setting. We click on this privacy and security and click here on general, and here let app show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. So make sure you turn off this, and now it should be no more personalized ads for your advertising ID. So if you don't want that, so for me this is disabled because I don't want that. And let's go for other settings. And now the next settings that I disable is this one here. If you click here, and you will see your news feed here. So if you don't want this, you can click on this icon here on settings, and here we're gonna disable this show announcements. So we click on it, and here you can disable board, the widgets board on hover, and show notification badges and announcements. So I'm gonna disable everything here, and we click on this X here, and now that's it. And one more setting that I want to show you is go here on apps, and we click here on startup, and here you can disable every app that you don't want. So for example, I don't want Microsoft Edge, I don't want OneDrive, I don't want, let's see which else I don't want to, let's say I don't want this one, and that's it. This will, and here it shows you the impact of when your PC starts up, how much impacts the startup speed. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this was useful, and see you in the next video. Bye.